roller coaster. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Let's do that again.
Okay. One more time. Back up to the top. Ready? Can I get a big cheer?
Yay!
Here we go. Ta-da! What do you think, Jack?
Jack in his pajamas outside at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What do you want to say to Mimi?
I don't know.
How about hi and bye?
Show her your new animals.
What are they?
A giraffe and a zebra.
Cool. Ooh, that's awesome. Daddy, was that cut? Daddy, did you just cut one? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Jack, say bye.